gardens. Have stocks and the outer defenses. Have a gift shop in here. There's a diagram. What if we come down the same way? Oh, it's going to be dark in here.
She's ahead of us. Going the wrong way. So it's
there's the line.
You make it all the way?
I quit.
Okay.
So all the higher it is.
Too dark and too long.
Yeah, they said they're pretty good.
There's writing on the wall. Oh, it's graffiti.
That's 15.
This is Earl's. Ah, I can stand up again. See?
You're gonna have to wave in.
Tunnel stairs.
Oh, look, it's just like the Leaning Tower.
I can't do that.
Wait, what?
Scoot back, she
I can
wants
go-
to get out.
Go down here. Why? Where does it take me? Where does that take me? Probably. I think I can. I'm not that far. I can. Sorry.
I'm sorry you
Get
can't
out.
go. Ow. Ha!
Oh, yeah, she could run out right there.
That's what I said, but she wouldn't go that way.
Huh. Or maybe. Wow, there's a rope you can hold on to. If you dare.
Should hold on
I'm
to.
holding.
How many millions of people have touched that?
Yeah, well, you're gonna say that at the Blarney Stone too.
Maybe.
back there.
So it's a spiral
Does it
staircase.
remind you of the way the tower faces?
Yeah. All the way up. Well, almost all the way up. A little further and a lot steeper. So this is the kisses of the Blarney Stone. And of course this is Blarney Castle. And of course that channel.
Thank you.
Wait, you guys didn't do it. Or you just end up with your head wedged between those bars. All right. Ring the bell. Janet's taking a picture. That's not the right way to camera. I think there's Cobh with you.
Oh, did you?
You've seen us?
You are after me.
Oh.
It will be an amazing.
It's amazing.
This
See
is-
you too. I'm sorry.
You can't miss it. You can't miss it. Hey, don't go down. Go right there.
That was really weird.
Coming down steps. Right there. We're in the family room, it says. I guess that used to be a fireplace. And the mural room and the young lady's bedroom is off that way. Let's stick this out.